It's all batteries on top.
Are you serious?
Electric 32 batteries.
Whoa. Are they AGM or lithium or what?
Believe it or not, golf cart batteries.
Really?
We have an 8-volt and a 6-volt.
Wow. That's a big bank.
You can stand on there on the side if you want.
Woo! That's wild.
Got a 200 amp charger on the side, 180 amps on that stuff. Down there on the bottom, you already got the picture.
Oh, yeah. Wow. That's wild.
It's a little different than last year.
Man.
I turned on the LED for you so you can see better.
It's awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Did I get in? All right. Whoa. So this is drivable.
Technically, yeah.
I know how to drive every day. Yeah. Nice. You coming in? You come in.
Just gotta come in and shut the door.
You have to shut the door if you come in, yeah.
Wow.
Are these ZV5 or 6s? ZV5s, okay.
Still waiting on 6 last October.
Really? What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Be sure to give him a thumbs up and comment what you like about his system. Very unique style system. I'm pretty sure it's a trailer system, but it is able to drive off the trailer for the show. At the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina is where this was at. 4 of the 18-inch subs. This is a 4th order enclosure with this viewpoint. There's a sealed section on the bottom where the sub cone is, making this a 4th order, and a powerful amount of power. So 8,000 watts per sub. Total of 32,000 watts between these 4 Salt 8Ks. Didn't really find out a lot of information about the system. Sorry about that, but I did get a quick walk around, so I hope you enjoyed that. And it's insane to see him have this many batteries. I was expecting a big lithium bank on top of the vehicle, but no, he had a total of 32 golf cart batteries with a big charger, pretty much supporting the system with the vehicle off. Don't really see a lot of people have this much power ran at a show all day without an alternator running. So really smart, unique idea, something different. And of course, this isn't nothing that you're going to be doing for your daily driver system. And we're getting to the demo. There's a total of 32,000 watts on 4 18-inch subs. If you missed that, he's definitely not turning it all the way up for this demo, but we got to see the sauce. Pretty extreme cabin work done to this vehicle as well. So welcome to my channel, JacobViral. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos, and enjoy.
I'ma show you how to
Like the video.
Shorties wanna tie, yeah. Shooters on my butt, yeah. Pedal up, baby, not. Yeah, won't stop. Got so many, be mistaken, I swear up. Got so many people that other than either you or me. That's your sign. This life got too deep, baby. 2 or 3. Staying. Black leather glove, no no shit. Buckles on. Crossbody got a piece. Gotta dance with this pretty I'ma show you how. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite. Crossbody got a piece. Gotta dance with this pretty I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna do it? No, son, I can give you the left foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie. Shooters on my block. Pedal up, baby, now. Me, I can't won't stop. Got so many be mistaken out for up. Got so many people that other than the family, I gotta see that you and me. That's your side, niggas think it's life got too deep, baby. 2 or 3. Black leather glove, no seat. Buckles on. Crossbody got a piece. Gotta dance with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right.
Hey, can I see under the hood real quick?
Yeah.
Anyway, I just like to see all the other.
Under, it don't even run.
It's not even running. Oh, y'all are on lithium battery power.
All batteries up top. It's all batteries up top.
Are you serious?
Electric truck underneath. 32 batteries.
Whoa. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah.
Woo!